Loco Joe coming to you live once again from LOCO High Performance in Sterling, Virginia. So back with our 2017 Tacoma. We just did a really nice exhaust mod on it. We have a few other things planned. One of them is a suspension lift. So we have a RediLift suspension kit for this truck. It's a 3-inch kit. Very nice kit, very nice kit. And it is a direct bolt-on application. We don't have to modify anything for this kit to work on this truck. So we have a wheel and tire package already picked out, but we want to put the lift on the truck first so we can get all of our measurements just how we want it. Make sure we have the right custom wheel specs and tire specs. So we're going to put this on today. This is the before shot of it with the stock setup, and we'll be back with you later this afternoon with the after for once again our 3-inch suspension lift 2017 Tacoma. Good afternoon, it's Loco Joe from LOCO High Performance here in Sterling, Virginia. So we're back once again with the 17 Tacoma. The RediLift lift install kit is on the truck. It's a 3-inch lift kit, as advertised, completely bolt-on. It didn't take any time at all. It probably took longer to put the exhaust on than it did the lift kit. So we're down to the alignment. We just pulled it off the alignment. We do our own in-house alignments here. So we got it off the alignment machine. We're ready to go for a drive, but we just wanted to get a quick shot of it. It looks great. I mean, it looks awesome. We can't wait for the wheels and tires. They're going to be here in a day or two. So we'll get those mounted up, put those on the truck, and then we'll do a final video for this first grouping of mods for this truck.